The alarming reality of bad sanitation in India, a nation's dirty secret. India, a country known for its rich cultural heritage and rapid economic growth, is struggling with a grave issue that affects the daily lives of its citizens: bad sanitation. The problem of dirt, garbage, and poor waste management has become a persistent menace, posing significant risks to public health, environmental sustainability, and the nation's overall well-being. Despite the government's efforts to improve sanitation facilities, especially in rural areas, the situation remains dire. According to recent statistics, over 50% of India's population lacks access to proper toilets, forcing millions to practice open defecation. This has led to the spread of waterborne diseases such as diarrhea, cholera, and typhoid, which claim thousands of lives every year. The lack of proper waste disposal systems has also resulted in the contamination of water sources, making it difficult for people to access clean drinking water. The streets of India's cities and towns are often lined with filthy garbage, emitting foul odors and attracting swarms of disease-carrying insects. The absence of effective waste management practices has turned public spaces into dumping grounds, with trash and debris accumulating in every corner. This not only affects the aesthetic appeal of these areas, but also creates an environment conducive to the spread of diseases. The consequences of bad sanitation in India are far-reaching. The economic burden of poor sanitation is estimated to be around 6.4% of the country's GDP, which is a staggering amount. Moreover, the lack of access to clean toilets and sanitation facilities disproportionately affects vulnerable populations, such as women, children, and the elderly, who are more susceptible to diseases and social stigma. To address this pressing issue, the Indian government has launched initiatives like the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India Mission, which aims to improve sanitation facilities and promote hygiene practices. However, more needs to be done to ensure that these efforts are sustained and yield tangible results. It is essential to involve local communities, NGOs, and private sector organizations in the sanitation drive, promoting a collaborative approach to tackle this complex problem. In conclusion, the issue of bad sanitation in India is a pressing concern that demands immediate attention. The government, civil society, and individuals must work together to create a culture of cleanliness and hygiene, ensuring that every citizen has access to proper sanitation facilities and a healthy environment. Only through collective efforts can we hope to eradicate the dirt and grime that plagues our nation and build a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable India for future generations.